How's it going, scholars? I am so glad that you are back here with me to do some math today. I hope you're all ready. But first, I hope you had a great weekend. All right, let's get started. As you can see, we got some dots on our page. How many dots do you see? 6. But what two parts did you see to make 6? So if I'm looking at this picture, I saw it as 1 and 5. So 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know 1 and 5 make 6. So that's how I saw that picture. All right, let's do the next side together. How many dots do you see? Take a good look. The answer is 6. Great. How did you see 6 in the two parts? What two parts did you see in the number 6? I saw 3 and 3 because I know 3 and 3 make 6. Awesome job. All right, we're going to do the next one. Or you're going to do the next one. Let me flip the page. Let me cover that side first. All right, how many dots do you see? 6. What two parts do you see in the number 6? What two parts do you see? I see 1 and 5, or you can say 5 and 1, whichever way is correct. All right, here's the next one. Here's the next side. How many dots do you see? The answer is 6. Now, what two parts of 6 do you see? I see 2 and 4, or you could say what? 4 and 2. All right, here's the next one. Ooh, this one's a little trickier. How many dots do you see? 6. What two parts of 6 did you see? What two parts of 6 did you see? I know some of you are going to say you saw 3 and 3. So like, for example, I see that there is 6. And I can say this side has 3. This side has 3. Maybe some of y'all said this side is 1 and this side is 5. Both ways work. Or you said 5 and 1. That's perfectly fine too. Whichever way helps you see the number 6. All right, here's the next one. How many dots do you see? 6. What two parts of 6 do you see? One of my parts is 4 and my other part is 2. Or you could say what? 2 and 4. Both parts make 6. Awesome job. And we got a couple more. Here's the next side. How many dots do you see over here? 6. Now what two parts of 6 do you see? I think I hear a lot of people saying different answers. I hear some people saying 3 and 3, or some people are saying 4 and 2, or maybe I'll say it like this: 4 and 2, or 2 and 4. Whichever way you see it to help you see the number 6 is great. All right, and the last one. How many dots do you see? 6. And what two parts of 6 do you see? 5 and 1, or 1 and 5. Awesome. Okay, for this next part, make sure you are watching the video in full screen. Okay, on this side, it says to circle 10. So you're going to count with me, and every time we see 10, we're going to circle it. All right, let's count. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See 10? Circle 10. Next side, ready? Let's do the moons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, and there was one more extra, but it said circle 10, so I'm going to only circle 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, make sure I don't circle that moon, because that wasn't that group of 10. All right, next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle it. Okay, so every time I see 10, I'm going to circle it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'm going to circle them. Do I circle those two? No, why not? Because it wasn't 10. Okay, let's do the hearts next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle that 10. Let's do the next side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This whole top row was 10. Okay, the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there's my 10. Gonna circle only 10. Okay, here's the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, circle 10 very carefully. Make sure I circle only 10. All right, we're gonna do a couple more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, here's my group of 10. There's 4 left over. Okay, now I'm doing the next side. Ooh, when I look at this one, this side already kind of looks like 10, so I'm gonna count this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there's my group of 10. And how many ones did I have on this side left? 2. All right, let's keep going. Some happy faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many did I have left over? 2. All right, count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my group of 10. Oh, wow. This time I had a lot of leftover. How many did I have left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's do the suns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle my 10. Uh-oh. Ooh, I need to include that one. That one was in part of my 10, so I got to circle that too. And we're going to do one more together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my group of 10. How many did I have that I did not circle this time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So there are 6 boxes left. If you wanted to do this, you can pause the video and you can count them and see how many 10s you can find in the bottom part. Otherwise, I'm going to move on to the next section. Okay, so here's the part where you're going to need that piece of paper again and something to write with. Okay, so I'm going to read the question out. It says, 17 scholars are playing at recess. How many scholars? 17. Okay, but of the 17 scholars, 10 scholars are playing soccer, while 7 scholars are playing hula hoops. So how many kids are playing soccer? Let's find out again. 10 scholars are playing soccer, while 7 scholars are playing hula hoops. Okay. So 10 of them are playing soccer. 7 of them are playing with hula hoops. Okay, now draw to show the 17 scholars as 10 scholars playing soccer and 7 scholars playing with hula hoops. Okay, so now's the time where you're going to pause that video and draw me that picture. What was the question again? There are 17 scholars playing at recess. 10 of the scholars are playing soccer. 7 of the scholars are playing with hula hoops. Draw me that picture. Okay, so go ahead and pause that video. Alright, if you're at this point of the video, I'm going to say that your picture is done and you drew me this awesome picture of these scholars playing outside. Okay, so I'm going to do it now together. Let's read the question again. 17 scholars are playing at recess. 10 scholars are playing soccer, while 7 scholars are playing hula hoops. Draw to show the 17 scholars as 10 scholars playing soccer and 7 scholars playing with hula hoops. Okay, I need to remember all that. Wow, that was a lot. So it was 17 scholars. So here's that 17. 17 scholars are playing at recess. 17 of them. 10 of the scholars are playing soccer and 7 of the scholars are playing with hula hoops. I'm going to draw my picture like this. Let's see. So 10 of them are playing soccer. So let me draw a soccer ball first. Here's my soccer ball. And here is, let me color it, make it pretty, look like a soccer ball. Okay, there's my soccer ball. So those are the 10 scholars are playing soccer ball. And what were the other kids playing? Oh yeah, hula hoops. So let me draw my hula hoop. There's my hula hoop. And I'm going to draw my picture like this. I'm going to put them into 2 groups. Okay, so 10 scholars are playing soccer. Let me draw my 10 scholars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let me see. 10 scholars are playing soccer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, I checked my work. I got 10 scholars playing soccer. Now, how many scholars were playing hula hoops again? 7. Okay, so now let me draw my 7 scholars playing hula hoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. It was 7 scholars are playing hula hoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Uh-oh, I drew one too many. Let me erase that. Okay. 7 scholars are playing with the hula hoop, and 10 scholars are playing with the soccer ball. And there are 17 scholars all playing at recess. So let me look at my 2 groups. Oh, this side has 10 ones. Oh my gosh, that's like what we talked about before. 10 ones. And how many ones does this side have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. All right, so if your picture looks something like this, or maybe you drew 10 different soccer balls and 7 different hula hoops, awesome job. As long as you put it into one group of 10 and one group of 7, you did a great job. And you can give yourself another happy face for today because you did so great. Alright, that's going to be it for today. Great job practicing those math skills with me, and I hope to see you again on Thursday. Bye!